efficiency model. So let us see, if A and B are there, we have seen A is twice as efficient as B. If one question is given A is twice as efficient as B, we write A is to B not 2 is to 1, it is 1 is to 2. A is twice as efficient as B. That means if B can do work in 20 days, A will do it in 10 days. In the same way, A is 50% more efficient than B. A is 50% more efficient than B. We write A is to B. A is 50% more when compared to B. This is totally wrong, dear students. It is wrong. So A is 50% more efficient than B. If this is 100, this is 150. Hope it is clear how to write. So A is 50% more efficient than B means A will be 100, B will be 150, that is 2 is to 3 ratio. That means if B does a work in 3 into 10, say 30 days, A will be there, do it in 2 into 10, 20 days. Okay. So based on this, hope you understood how to write. Let us go to the question number 1. The question says, A can do a work in 12 days. I am writing down the question. A can do a work in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than B. So how do we write? So A and B. A can do a work alone in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than B. B is 60% more efficient than near A. I'll write 160 and B for 100. If B is 100, then A will be 160. That is, this is nothing but B is 60% more efficient than B. So we can cancel 0 and 0. That is, to 8s are 16, to 5s are 10. This is the ratio which we get. Now A can do a work separately in 12 days. B alone will do the work in how many days? That's the question. Now B alone will do the work in how many days? That's what he's asking here. So dear students, if you see, A can do a work in 12 days, he has given. So 8 into 1, 8. 8 into half, 4. So 8 into 1 and half is 12. In the same way, B is 5 ratio. 5 into 1 and half if I take, that is 5 plus 2 and half, 7 and half days. So B alone can do the work in 7 and half days. See the question again. A can do a work separately in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than A. B is 60% more efficient than A. So here, if A takes 160, B takes 100. In the sense, we can cancel 2 zeros. The ratio will be 8 is to 5. B alone will do the work in how many days? A separately can do the work in 12 days, as given. So the ratio is 8 is to 5. 8 into 1 and half is 12. Because A can do separately the work in 12 days, B is B into 1 and half. If I do, you will get that is 7 and half days. So A to B ratio is nothing but we can do the work in 7 and half days, dear students. Let me go to the next question of the same model. Next question of the same model. The question says, A can do a work in 9 days. I am writing directly. A can do a work in 9 days. B is 50% more efficient than A. B is 50% more efficient than A. So, question is, B alone will do the work separately in how many days? So, A can do a work in 9 days, B is 50% more efficient than A. B alone will do the work in how many days? Because A does the work in 9 days. So, first of all, A is to B ratio. B is 50% more efficient, so I'll take 150 is to 100. It's not 100 is to 150. Then 0, 0, if I cancel A is to B ratio, I'll get 5 3s are 5 2s are. Now, A can do a work in 9 days. He has given 3 into 3, 9. So, 2 into 3, B alone can do the work in 6 days. B alone can do the work in 6 days because A ratio is 3. 3 into 3 for multiply will get 9. In the same way, B ratio is 2. 2 into 3 I can multiply so that I'll get the same. That is 6 days. We have to multiply into 3 means into 3. This is the trick, my dear students, to find the answer. Let us go to one more question of the same type. The question says, A can do a work in 70 days. B is 40% more efficient. B is 40% more efficient than A. B is 40% more efficient than A. B alone will do the work in how many days? A can do work in 70 days. B is 40% more efficient than A. B alone will do the work in how many days? Now, coming to the point, A is to B ratio. First step, that is B is 40% more efficient. So 140 is to 100. That is A is to B. If I take to 7s to 10s. Sorry, 10 is to 5s. To 7s 14, to 5s 10. Now B is taking 70 days to complete. Sorry. A is taking 70 days to complete work. He is given, so dear students, 7 into 10 is 70. In the same way, coming to B, 5 into 10, if I take it will be 50. It will be 50. So 7 into 10 is 70, 5 into 10 is 50. That's all is the answer, dear students. Hope it's clear to all of you. I'll go for one more of the same type. Let us see here, dear students, one more question. A is 30% more efficient than B. A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they take to do the job together? So A plus B together will do the work in how many days? A alone can do the job in 23 days. This is the question given. A is 30% more efficient than B. A and B together will do the job in how many days? A alone can do the work in 23 days. Options are 10, 13, 15, 17, 19. So dear students, what we are going to do is approximately, I am going to give the answer here. So A is 30% more efficient than B. So A is to B ratio. First we will take, my dear students, that is nothing but A is 30% more. So 130, 100 is to, so that is A is to B, 10 is to 13. 10 is to 13. Now the thing is that A can do alone in 23 days, he has given. A alone can do the work in 23 days. So 10 into 2.3, I'll get 23. So in the same way, 13 into 2.3, if I do 29.9, I will get 29.9. So dear students, the question is, A and B together will do it in how many days? A and B together. So suppose what I am doing here, dear students, A can do the work in 23 days. B can do the work. I am taking it as 29.9, 30. I am taking it as 30. Now A can do separately work in 23 days. B can do it in 30 days. A and B together will do it in how many days? Means we have 23 into 30 by 23 plus 30. That is the trick, dear students. That is nothing but 690 by 30, 40, 53. So 53 ones are 53. 69 minus 53 and 53 3s are 13 times. We get the students approximately to solve it. So second option is the answer. So here A is 30% more efficient than B. A plus B will do the same work in how many days? Provided that A alone can do it in 23 days. So A is 30% more efficient. The ratio will be 100 is to 130, 10 is to 13. So he has given A alone can do the work in 23 days. So 10 into 2.3 is 23. In the same way, 13 into 2.3 is 29.9. Approximately, I asked the answer, my dear students. So A can do a work in 23 days, B can do it in 30 days. And 0.1 I have removed here so that A plus B will be easy for me to solve. A plus B can do it in how many days means 23 into 30 by 23 plus 30. We have a shortcut xy by x plus y. That is 690 by 53. Approximately, you get 13 as the answer, my dear students. Hope it's clear. We'll go for one more of the same type. A is 75% more efficient than B. In how many days can A and B working together will do the work? A alone can do it in 12 days. A is 75% more efficient than B. So A plus B together will do the work in how many days? Okay, A alone is doing the work in 12 days. A is 75% more efficient than B. A and B together can do the work in how many days? A alone will do it in 12 days. So A, dear students, is to be A is 75% more efficient. So I'll write 175 to B and 100 to A because A is 75% more efficient. If you cancel with 2, you may get, that is A is to B separately. How much do we get? That is 520 is 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is so A is to B 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. 4 is to 7. I got a ratio. A is 75% more efficient than B. So 100 is to 175. A plus B can do the work in how many days? A alone will do it in 12 days. So dear students, you know clearly A can do a work that is 4 is to 7 ratio. A is to B. A can do a work in 12 days. So 4 into 3. B can do it in 7 into 3, 21 days. You know this trick. So here the thing is, A alone can do it in 12 days. Now, A and B will do it in how many days? A and B. So A can do a work now. Here how much do we get, dear students? A can do a work in 12 days. B can do it in 21 days. A plus B means, dear students, 12 into 21 by 33 because 21 plus and 31 33. That is nothing but A into B by A plus B. I am doing, dear students. So 3 11s are 33, 3 4s are 12. 84 by 11. That is nothing but 7 by 11 days. Or there is one more method, dear students. Or there is one more method, dear students. Okay. Anyhow, thank you, dear students, for today.